Okay, so let's look at a step-by-step process of how you can day trade the markets all on autopilot without you being at your screens all day long, missing trades, making mistakes, getting emotional about trades. I'm going to show you how you can generate a profit by sticking it all on autopilot and for the robot and the bot to be taking trades for you. But there is a step-by-step process you must follow, and I'm going to show you how to do that on this video. Step number 1, we want to combine our software here with the bot. So those of you that know the ProTrend system, when it goes from red to green and the tracks start to turn green as well, these dots here, that means that's a buy signal. I've created such an easy system for you to follow here. It is very, very straightforward. So that signal came at 8 a.m. on the 14th of February, Valentine's Day in fact. So let's just discount the Wednesday, and let's say we wake up on Thursday, it's green, it's long, we're still pushing nicely, we've got the green tracks. So we've got the confirmation over here, and on the Thursday we got the green as well. So okay, so you're sitting there at 7 a.m. in the morning, you're thinking, right, I've got to go to work, or I've got to go and play golf, or I'm going to do some sort of travelling. How can I make money from this trend in the FTSE? All you've got to do is this. Drag over the bot. Okay, so you bring it into this area here. You log in. Now, you want to name the bot. You type in FTSE, whatever you want to call it. FTSE Momentum, whatever. But we want to be going long with that green ProTrend system. We put the initial balance in, which is your account size. Let's say 10,000, because everyone these days has got funded accounts at least $25,000. We'll put £10,000 in. Now we're going to go over to the equities because we need to choose the market, don't we? So if we come in here, we're going to just highlight FTSE 100. We come to this area here, the time frame. Now, as day traders, you can use any sort of time frame starting with 15 minutes. That's going to be enough for us anyway. So 15 and 1 hour. We're going to highlight 1 hour. We'll see what the results were on the 15-minute chart as well. Now, because the ProTrend system had a green buy, which is really easy to see, we're just going to do buy signals. We're going to look at the momentum indicator. We're going to highlight that. We're going to go in at market as orders, okay? We're not going to use a pending order. Use market order. We're going to take 1% risk per trade. That means you don't blow out your trading account at all. You're only risking 1%. And if you've got the bias and trend already set up on the ProTrend system, then it's a case of then just placing the trades in that direction with good risk management. We're going to put our stop at the last swing, and we're going to have a 2.5 risk reward ratio. Okay, so we're going to make 2.5 to every one we risk. Now we're going to come in here. So the day after Valentine's Day is the 15th. All right, so we're going to come in here, type the 15th. We're going to run it up to today, the 19th. So I'm going to run no optimization with this because we're only going to be testing one market. If we were looking at multiple markets and different time frames, we would go into here and optimize the best, and it would show us the best time frame. So let's start the bot rolling. Okay, so it did 5 trades, 2.5 trades per day, all on autopilot, so you wasn't even at your screens. It made £1,000, okay, a 10% return in a couple of days here, all the way up to the Friday the 16th. Right, that was the last day we got the signal. So 100% win rate, okay, no losing trades, absolutely fantastic. You would have been up £1,000 all on autopilot. All right, so very nice trade indeed, very easy as well. Let's go back into the bot. Let's get rid of the 1 hour and let's just now go to the 15-minute, because I know some of you like the thrill of a bit faster time frame and more trades. Keep the same parameters in here. Now we're going to start the bot running. Okay, so now it did a few more trades. It did 6.5 trades, and it made £2,000. It did more trades because it's a smaller time frame. You're going to get more signals. So very nice indeed. Okay, very nice, very, very good. All very good. Yep, 69, 9 winners and 4 losers. That's fine. Average loss was £78. Average win was £257, 14 pence. Good risk reward on this one, 3.43, which was very nice indeed. On some of the trades, you actually got more reward, which was outstanding. And that's what the bot does for you. So we had £2,000 profit, trading the FTSE in a very simple process, guys. If you want to know more about the bot, make sure you get a call back, because we're seeing these results every single day, guys, and you don't even need to be at your screens, and you don't even need to use your own money. You can use funded accounts, link it to a funded account. Imagine if you had a $500,000 account, what sort of return it would have given you then. Have a great day. Make sure you request that call back. I'll speak to you soon.